Missing WhatsApp photos driving you crazy? Don't worry. In the next minute and a half, we'll walk through a few easy steps to get those pictures back where they belong. First, let's tackle permissions. Head over to your phone's settings app, then find apps, and locate WhatsApp. Tap on permissions. Make sure storage permission is enabled. This is key. Without storage access, WhatsApp can't save images to your gallery. Next, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings, go to Chats and ensure the Media Visibility option is toggled on. This allows newly downloaded media to show in your gallery. If that doesn't work, try clearing WhatsApp's cache. Return to the app settings as before, navigate to Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages or photos. Still no luck? Open your File Manager app and check for a nomedia file within the WhatsApp Images folder. If it exists, delete it. This file prevents media from being scanned and displayed in the gallery. And that's it. Your WhatsApp photos should now be visible in your gallery. If you're still having trouble, restarting your phone can often resolve lingering issues. Found this helpful? Give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.